Freaking this guy again. First thing in the morning. Come on, here. I don't know if he's going to like that. I don't have much for you, kid. You took all the peanuts yesterday, bro.
I don't have nothing but no more peanuts.
You took all the peanuts. All right, folk. Well, I'm out of peanuts for the dude. Come here. But I had peanut butter. There you go, big guy. Go for it. There you go. So I put the peanut butter on bread. He grabs it and he hauls ass. Lord have mercy, little brother. I swear, if it's not the squirrel, it's you guys. Hold on, big guy. Be with you in a second. There you go, big guy. Butch has seen the squirrel, and he's being a good boy. Yes, he is being a good boy. I am surprised, Butch. You're usually trying to jump out and go get them. Well, there you go, folks. There's a cool good morning shot for you. Little squirrel buddy. He's chowing down some apple cinnamon Nutri-Grain bar. He's enjoying that. Well, all right, folk. This is a piece of the wood on the roof of the van, and I took it off so we could look over the wood and see the roof here, and there is definitely quite a bit of moisture on the roof. So that is going to be an absolute must. I'm going to have to get some insulation up there, and then I'll just get this stuff back up. But it's easy peasy. I can take this down. I can get the insulation under these the wood panels and everything, no problem, and get some adhesive, put it up there. That should be quick and easy, no big deal. But I did want to look. I did want to see how much moisture was under there, and there is quite a bit, it seems. So especially with it getting a bit colder and running the buddy heater a little bit more. I knew it was going to happen. I was just hoping it wouldn't be so quickly. So anyways, gotta do what you gotta do. What are we whining about, Butchie? Huh? What?
Cat's gone.
What? You saw a cat? The cat's gone now, Butchie. It's gone. It's gone. Why do you dislike cats so much? Huh? You are not cool with the cat folk, huh? I don't know what to tell you, kid. All right, folks. First thing in the morning is this guy again begging. You can tell he's a northern squirrel. He's as bad as the crackheads out here begging for $1. All right, folks. So now they got the heavy equipment coming in, so they can come in and build this crap hole. So, all right, folk, well, we are getting ready for a Boondock dinner, and it's been cold out, and how cold, Boone? Oh, my oil, it got thick. So I had to shake and get some out to go into the skillet so I could cook. So, yep. So our Boondock cooking today will be a nice New York strip. And for seasoning, instead of using all that new stuff, we're going to go a little old school with the Montreal steak. All right, folk. Well, this came out awesome, and I'm glad I used the old school Montreal steak seasoning. It's excellent. I'm enjoying the steak. I'm about to crack open this Budweiser this lovely young lady brought by for me. Said Happy Thanksgiving and gave me a Budweiser, so why not? Steak and Budweiser tonight. Later, folk. And all right, folk. So I should not do it, but I did cut some steak up for this guy and put it in his food, even though a friend of mine brought a piece of steak by for him and he had a piece of it, but I saved some of it to put in his food, and he snuck around my back and he ate it. So I wasn't going to give him any, but how do you say no to that face? Here you go, bub. Go ahead. Well, all right, folk. I meant to get this video up yesterday. It didn't go up, so we're going to finish it today. Just hanging out in the old Jolly Roger. It's a beautiful day. We're freaking hitting 60 degrees. No rain till later tonight. That is awesome. I actually think God listened to me. I was kind of griping. I'm like, God, why are you giving us a 55-degree day and a 60-degree day, and you're going to make it rain on both days? Come on, man. So I wake up, beautiful 60-degree day, and no rain. Not till later tonight. So God listens, yeah. All right. So anyways, in the old Jolly Roger, I've been watching videos because I do have to get that insulation. That's coming up real soon. The insulation up there and everything. I've been watching some videos to get some ideas for it. So, yeah, that's got to be done because, you know, when you're sleeping, all of a sudden you get two big drops on your face and you wake up and you don't know if it just happened or was it a dream. But, yeah, it sucked. So, anyways, we got to stop the moisture, get this done, and that's going to be happening soon. So, anyways, till then, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.